Breaking news today, there's up for $1.1 billion up for grabs. Find out what your share is and how you can find out whether you're entitled to any of it. So g'day guys, my name is Tim Guest and welcome to the Facebook Live today. I hope everyone had a great weekend and of course a great Anzac Day yesterday, whether you got down to the dawn service or whether you enjoyed the footy. So we've seen news come out today from the Australian government through the Money Smart website, which is moneysmart.gov.au, which announced that there's over $1.1 billion worth of unclaimed funds which are up for grabs and that people can search for to find out whether they're entitled to anything. So $1.1 billion, where has all this money come from? So this money is unclaimed funds. So this could be bank accounts that people haven't touched for up to 7 years. This could be life insurance policies that they stopped paying the premium on. This could be investments like superannuation, shares, that kind of stuff. So what happens is after institutions, financial institutions, once they haven't received any kind of contact from someone, this could be because you've moved house, stopped receiving the statements, then what happens after 7 years that these funds get actually sent to the Commonwealth. So the government has given people an opportunity to actually search and find out whether they are entitled to any of these funds that are sitting there. $1.1 billion. There was one lucky punter that was able to search and find that they are entitled to $800,000. So this can be from deceased estates where people haven't claimed their funds. So this is great news for people today. It's a really simple process. All you need to do is get onto the Money Smart website, which is moneysmart.gov.au. All you have to do is type in your name and it'll come back and give you details about whether there's any financial institutions which are holding funds, of which you can then contact those people and then find out how to get your money. So I thought that this would be a great interest of people today. So guys, that was pretty much it for the Facebook Live tonight. Just a real quick one, but get onto the website and see if you've got any funds missing. And of course, if you leave us any comments or questions down below, we'll know what you want me to talk about next time. Great being with you tonight, guys, and have a great day. We'll speak to you next time.